Hello guys, today we're at Ruru Road Level Crossing in Taihape. Now this level crossing used to have a Western Cullen Hayes mechanical bell on that side over there and a Griswold mechanical bell on this side here, but in 2018 they were replaced. So what do we have? We've got two Western Cullen Hayes E-bells on either side of the crossing, as you can see. And we've got a set of Western Cullen Hayes lights over there mounted on a Montrose of Penrose bracket, and which have been retrofitted to LEDs. And we've got two sets of Griswold Signal Co lights which have been retrofitted to LEDs, as you can see. And we've also got Westinghouse control boxes, as you can see. So yeah, there's not really much else to see here, and believe it or not, this level crossing, before it had the Western Cullen Hayes mechanical bell, it actually used to have two Griswold mechanical bells. So yeah, with that said and done, let's now go and wait for a train.